Have you ever wondered what people do on your website? Of course, if you have a website, your goal is to get more leads or more clicks, especially if you're an SEO specialist who is servicing clients. But have you ever wondered what they actually see and where they click on your website? Well, there's a way to do that. Microsoft Clarity. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, I'll be demonstrating to you how to use Microsoft Clarity's new extension, which shows the heat map of our website as well as other critical information that you know. Awesome stuff to know. Awesome. Let's just jump in. So the first thing that you want to actually do is install the extension. So bad example, but you want to just go over to your Chrome's web store. I have it already installed, but just type in Microsoft, or you can just type in Clarity. If you just type in Clarity, it should say Microsoft Clarity Live. So once you've clicked on that, it is the first one. And then you can install it. Oh, cool. Now that you've installed it, you want to obviously log into the website, well, to the logins that have access to your website. And once you have that, what it will automatically do, it will now have a little toggle for you for any website that is connected to that account. Awesome. So what is practically this? So I'll demonstrate. You don't need to actually click on the extension. If you do, it will just open another tab. As you can see here, and here you can see your recordings, you can see heat maps, so you can choose between the two. So it'll be an actual recording on the first option of what a person actually did. Like for example, as I am on the website right now, it's actually recording my activity. So where I click on, it will demonstrate. And the heat map, so a heat map is actually just where we hover, where we click on. So definitely something to see if maybe the depth is too deep for a person to convert or so on. So without saying much, I can go over in a new video on uh, the different types, but let's focus on this toggle in this video. So the first one is a heat map. So what will the heat map do is it will show, as you see here, there's more options. Yeah, this is a heat map. So as you can see, these little small purple dots on the screen. That's practically where people are clicking on the website. And it's really good to know if they are. As you can see, I'm using the prolemon.com official website. So please reach out to us if you have any SEO tips that you'd like to know, or need help with your SEO. Leave a like, comment there, and subscribe to this channel. It will definitely help the algorithm to know that we're giving you content stuff. So as you can see, these these little heat maps. So something to know if people are clicking here more, whatever that's happening. So to deactivate, you just click on the toggle once more, and as you can see here, these the pages, the number of clicks in the last days you can choose in 30 days. So yeah, so it's always nice to play with. But one of my favorite tools is this one. It shows you the percentages on the actual page, so number of clicks and so on. This doesn't have a lot of data because I just installed the extension just for this use, but it is awesome, awesome. And if we click on this toggle here, it is all the recordings, especially the one I just did. So as I mentioned, we release videos on a daily about SEO, about everything SEO, in fact. So please leave a like, comment, subscribe, stalk us at ProLemon. We will love to hear from you. And in the next video, what we'll cover is the videos and how to actually view a heat map on Microsoft Clarity. To the next video. Goodbye.